before we get started, a quick word from our sponsor. Thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. All of the jewelry that I've been wearing during my daily life in Tokyo has been from Ana Luisa. You guys can check out the link in the description box below for a special discount off your next order. Hello everybody! So I'm finally getting my day started. Today I'm meeting a friend for the first time in real life. I picked a super cute spot for us to get lunch together at, and it's called the Aoyama Flower Market Tea House. It's a flower market but also a cafe. So you kind of feel like you're having lunch in a little greenhouse and you're surrounded by all these flowers. And the food that we ordered today was the omelette and also French toast. And they decorated all of the food with edible flowers. God, wait! Hi! Today I'm in Asakusa with my friend Belle.
Hello.
Hello.
Beru desu.
Beru desu. So I haven't been to Asakusa at all during this trip. It's touristy for sure, but you know, I was thinking I really want to like walk and eat and like hunt desserts. So that's the plan today.
Japanese version.
Welcome to May's Asakusa tasting ranking. So this is Asakusa Ichi Goza, and you know, the more I taste it, originally I was like, oh yeah, it's like a solid smoothie. I'm gonna give it a 6, but the more I taste it, I feel like it's honestly an 8.
Wow.
Because it's like good quality. And then did you try like mixing this like frozen berry on top? International Taste Institute 2019 Brussels. I think they're onto something. It's good.
Oh shit.
It's really soft. It feels like a puppy. That sounds really weird. It's so like jiggery.
Wow.
So yeah, let me get some.
Hi.
Oh my god. You know, I think this is actually probably the best watabi mochi I've ever had. Look at how soft it is.
Oh, whoa.
Right? Okay. Hands down, the best watabi mochi I've ever had. 9 out of 10? 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10. Hello! Today I am going shopping. I have a lot of like stores that I've been meaning to hit up for a while so that I can buy some presents for people back at home. So I'm visiting a bunch of different places today. I met up with my friend Vivi to get lunch.
Yeah, it was so good.
So I stopped by this store because my cousin has been like asking about it for so many weeks. I really wanted to get him a housewarming gift, and he was really interested in this specific ceramic store that does sort of like antique wabi-sabi style ceramics from small independent artists. So it's finally time to face the beast that is Nakano Broadway. So this is right outside of the train station in Nakano. Right on the side you can get these little filled cakes. They have multiple types of fillings, the most classic ones being custard and also red bean. I always buy them whenever I go to Nakano, and I just walk down this corridor of Sun Mall, and at the end of Sun Mall you finally hit Nakano Broadway. So Nakano Broadway is basically a nerd's paradise. You can find anything here, and most of it is secondhand, which is pretty cool. I'm looking for an Evangelion figure for my friends as a gift, and I finally found the perfect one at the Mandarake No. 4 store. And look, it's the Kaworu Radio Eva figure from a few years ago, and also in this other like suspicious dinky section, I found this really bootleggy Kaworu, and I bought him. This is a combo gift from Mickey House, okay. So it's like not either person's thing. Oh yeah. But I think. Are you gonna open it? No, you should open this, and then Effie-chan, you can open this. Oh my god, that's huge. Oh yeah. Oh wow, I see a nerve logo. Oh what? It's Naked Kaworu. What? For you to stay there. Wait, it's a real Kaworu. This is a real Kaworu. It's Kaworu again.